Kelson's Thoughts, where we go, where our minds takes us. And I'm just going to jump right into this one. So, I want to cover the topic of social media and the negative influences it's having on today's generation, specifically as it relates to relationships. So, I know you may have your favorite celebrity, your idol, your favorite movie star, your favorite entertainer, favorite artist, whatever you want to classify them as, right? These people that you idolize or look up to, however you want to phrase that, and you may see them portraying a certain lifestyle on social media. I just want you to bear in mind that the lifestyle that people portray on social media is oftentimes not the lifestyle that they're living on a day-to-day cycle. People don't take trips every day. People are not happy in their relationships every day. Most of these artists that you see out here wearing these name brand clothing, they are being sponsored by these name brand companies. So bear that in the back of your mind the next time you see a celebrity post about them not wanting to cook, but they are to be wives. Right? Or the next time you see a celebrity posting that his woman should do this, that, and turn that around the house, and he will just provide. Bear in mind that majority of men earn average incomes, and you require a partner that is contributing as well for the household to work, especially if you have children. If you want those children to have a good lifestyle, it will be requiring of both partners to be contributing financially and around the house. Right? So stepping away from that now. I recently saw a young lady posted a video, and it was basically saying that we're too young, we're too old to be asking questions such as what's your favorite color. And though it may be true that yes, the way you ask the question may come off as immature, and matter of fact, it may come off as if you're bringing someone to an interview, which you do not want. You do not want to be sitting down robotically asking someone what's their favorite color or what is their favorite food, what job do they do. No, you can't do it like that. Well, you can. As to the result you get, it may vary. However, there's a more intricate way of doing it, a more entertaining way, right? Let's, for example, you want to know a woman's favorite color, and you have given the opportunity to step into a room or house. What you can do is observe. So, for example, you step into her room and you realize her walls are painted pink. You realize she has a pink teddy bear, her comforter is pink. You realize all this, more than likely her favorite color is pink. Yes, someone is not going to have so much items in their personal space in a specific color without a reason. Or you can say, let's say you're planning to buy a car, or just in general, you see a car you like. Remember, you're testing, or rather, you're trying to figure out this information without being too direct. So you see a car on the internet, and you're like, hey, Kim, Tim, anyone, because this can go for both male and females. What color in this car you think is best? And let's say the person say black. Okay. See, you store that information in your brain, and you another day, let's say you see a chair. You ask the person what color in this chair you think is best, and the person says black. Again, you see a teddy bear, and you ask the person what color would you like best in this teddy bear, and they say black. Do I need to continue? More than likely their favorite color is black. So sometimes you need to observe your partner's surrounding and their actions, their words, and everything. Right? Don't just robotically asking these questions like you're bringing them to an interview. Okay? But however, points still remain. That information is still very important. And if you're one of those that are saying, oh, someone's favorite color, that's the least, and that is not important, it is very important. Why it is important? Let's say you want to get me a gift, right? I like gifts, and you want to get me a gift, and you want to make this gift as personalized as possible. You'd want to ensure that this gift is not only something I like, you want to ensure it is something that is a texture to my liking. You want to ensure it is also something that is a color to my liking. If I was to be given a gift and I realize that you have taken the time to not only get something I like, but to get it in the texture I like and the color I like, well, damn, you have been paying attention. Extra brownie points for you. You understand? So these things are still very important. And if you're someone out here posting these things and you actually believe them, me need to talk. Like, I see, not even me. Even if you have a talk with somebody, because clearly something not right. And something is not right if you're saying this, but at the same time, you're out here saying you want a partner that pays attention to you. Two things can't be the same. You can't be saying asking these questions are trivial, then at the same time you want a partner that is into you and a partner that knows your likes and your needs and your desires. But saying certain questions are trivial, certain information is trivial. Can't be trivial. If you have been watching my videos, you have probably have noticed that I refer to relationships as partnerships or your spouse as a partner. Because that is how I see it. Because I believe two people coming together, that is a partnership. Person that you're spending the rest of your life with, that's your partner. And that word stands out for me because when I refer to it as a partner, I think the other person subconsciously understands where I'm coming from. I will need you to help me just as though I will be helping you. So you see these social media influencers and your favorite entertainers and your idols posting, going on trips and vacations and vacations almost every weekend or every month end, and you expect your partner to be taking you out every weekend and every month end. That is not financially feasible. And that is why I'm saying you absorb this information and you regurgitate it, not understanding, not trying to think for yourself. And it is very important for you to think for yourself. You have to think for yourself. So, you and your partner out here earning, let's say your partner out earns 150 Jamaican dollars per month and you earn 200,000 per month, right? If you're a partnership, that means the household is having a monthly income of 350,000 per month. Are you paying mortgage or rent? And let's say that is let's say $30,000. So I said 350, that leaves you with 320. Groceries for two persons, you're probably looking at about another 50,000. 280, right? Electricity bill, water bill, so for let's say that is 20,000.
210. You see where I'm going. I don't think I need to go any further than that. You can't have unrealistic expectations of a realistic person, of a realistic world. It doesn't work like that. So to summarize, information that your partner wants to gather, it is still important. Just the way you go about it needs to be personalized. You can't have unrealistic expectations in a realistic world. You're not being celebrated. You're not being sponsored chips. Okay? And that's it for today. Please drop your comments in the comment box.
Mail me any topic you want me to cover and have a wonderful